Hello, this is Xarchaeology and welcome to another Pokemon TCG opening, and today we're going to be doing our box of Fusion Strike, the newest and latest set. This box is a bit annihilated for the Pokemon TCG. Now there's a few, there's a starters in this, which are some of the main cards to get. As I say, as usual, going in a slightly blind, meaning completely. So we shall just see what the crack is when we're done, as they say in the shade. I'm thinking about getting a webcam just for these, but I don't know. Okay, so there we go. And there, as we do, one and a half for this one, as we do in 2 bits. Right, so let's get into it. So we've got 1, 2, we've got 3 different pack arts, 4 different pack arts. We have 4 different, these are all very squished, which is our Boltund, Genesect, Mew, and Mega Gengar. How can this battery be dead? It's literally been charging for hours. Right, before we get going, I guess I'm changing the battery over. 1 second. Right, let's go before this battery decides to die as well. So, Gengar. Packs, of course. Well, that's not a good result. So we need a Gengar to save. And, ooh, different codes. Ooh, I wonder if they tell you, if that mean the different ones mean that it doesn't tell you what's in the pack anymore. So, we have a Leaf Energy, Grass Energy, Morgan, Quick Ball, Barraskewda, Skarmory, Shelmet, Pulse, Munna, Meowth. We have a Dubwool, and then we have, oh very nice, a Cinderace V for our first hit card. Very nice. So let's see if we can save at least one of the pack cards for round. What's going on? That's all been squished, so it's really hard to open. Give me an hour. Well, I was about to say I'm definitely getting this one, but I guess I'm not. Are they all like that now? That's interesting. Okay. 3, 4, we'll see anyway. So we have a Steel Energy, Metal Energy, Power Tablet, Beware, Chisel, Shroomish, Klefki, Trubbish, Toadler, Phantom. We have a Gossiflower and an Arcanine regular rare. I think they're all like that now, which would be interesting. Oh, that one is slightly different. That's a white border on the back, that one had a black border. Okay. So Genesect, can we at least save? Yes, we can save the Gen. There's plenty more. I think the borders that tells you what it is now. Maybe. Water Energy, Double Spongy Gloves, Frostmoth, Drillbud, Dunnelby, Mudkip, Pormeco, Eevee, Pormeco, Cloyster Reverse, which is a rare, and a Treasurina V. So it's the border of the card that now tells you what it is, not the actual back itself. Right, so that was a great start. We haven't saved a single packet. Oh, okay. That's definitely a save. So we've got a Boltund anyway. We'll give out some codes in a sec. Grass Energy, Cross Switch, Crocodile, Excadrill, Gossiflower, Eevee, Shinx, Shelmet. We have a Zoroark Reverse and a Holo Rare Landers. Very nice. So 3 out of those 4 packs had something in it, which is interesting. So we've got a Boltund. Let me get the Gengar now. What is up with these? That one's ripped. So let's give that away, sorry. There's your code. Codes will also change slightly as well. It's interesting. I think I've done the trick yet. Dark Energy, Grovador, Pugimiku, Eldegoss, Bunnelby, Meowth, Onyx, Shootle. We have a Darmatarian and a that's a cool looking golem. another pack C, which is a Mew. We have a Lightning Energy, Hariyama, Brilliant, Cross-Richard Gligar, Slugma, Skitty, Phalanx, Screwtutle. The art in this set is pretty cool. Glaring Corsola and a Guja. So we need a Ginsect and a Gengar pack art, and then we can open these cards. Yes, so that's the thingy one. The Ginsect. And have another code, why not? Autofocus is a bit crappy tonight. We have a Fighting Energy, a Grapplog, Digsby, Sydney, Morpeko, Smeagol, Tynamo, Amiya. We have a reverse Stantler and a Maractus. This is the last one we need. Yes. I'm just getting good at opening packs. We have a Fire Energy, Lopunny, Farewell Bell. Is that focusing? Come on. Okay, it's focusing sort of. Lopunny, Eevee, Shelder, Voltorb, Pansage, Cuffant, a Turtonator, and a Electrode. Electrode literally looks like he's about to do a massive fart. So that's good. The cards, that'd be good. Good at hitting the camera today as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. We have a Psychic Energy, Dunsparce, Dancer, Pogoro, Plancham, Damaruka, Indeedee, Growlithe, Phalanx. We have a reverse Butterfree and a holo rare Obstagoon. Hopefully we get one of the alternate art. I think it starts with an Eevee, I'm not sure. One of the alternate art anyway. No, I'll know if I get it. We have a Grass Energy, Crocodile, Excadrill, Dubwil, Eevee, Shelder, Voltorb, Pansage, Corvette. We have a Pansage again and a Gorbis. Oh, is that they've got a crimp card? We have a crimped card. I haven't actually had one before, so I'm glad. So we'll have a look at that when we get there. A Lightning Energy, Karaja, Cook, Magmar, Quillfish, Tynamo, Glameow. There it is. There's the crimp card. If you can see, because this thing doesn't know how to focus. Goes far at the top. See, it's crimped. I'm going to leave that one up. Pansage, Bookcaster. Oh, Bookcaster Reverse and the Landers again. Sleeve up a crimp. I know it's not a massive one, but it still is a crimped card, which is you don't get very well. I've not got one anyway, ever. So the first for me. Fighting Energy, Diggersby, Sydney, Cross, Tricia, Drillbur, Mudkip, Cadsby, Morpeko, Tenema Reverse, and a Blissey. Code upside down. There you go. 3 and 4. We have a Fire Energy, Morgan, Quick Ball, Barraskewda, Indeedee, Growlithe, Morpeko, Smeagol, a reverse Marshtomp, and a Arcanine. Not getting a lot so far. 2 regular V's and 3 holidays. Something soon, hopefully. Unless we're just going to have an insane second half of the box. Psychic Energy, Dancer, Pangoro, Gossiflower. That card is damaged. And I didn't do it. Pampor, Eevee, Shinx, Shelmet, a Pancham Reverse, and a Toxic Rook. That one came from there. Nice and easy. We have a Metal Energy, Mosham, Heatram, Cook, Klefki, Pansage, Wooloo, Pancham, Daruk Sandstorm, We have an Arachnid and a Feraligatr. Holo rare. More holo rares. It's usually when our late trainer box we get insane. So, these and secret rares and whatever else. A Water Victini, Electronic, Dunsparce, Morpeko, Schmeagle, and Quillfish, Tynamo, Meowth. We have a reverse Wooloo and a very nice Time Runner LV. Very nice. Move them up a tad. 2 more packs left for this half of the box. That was very smooth opening, wasn't it? There you go. Have a code, and I don't know if there's anything in this one now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy, Sydney Battle Pass, Goomy, Aracuda, Snubble, Geodude, a Chansey, and a Zorora. And our last pack for this half. I thought that pack was upside down though, for a second. Pancham. We have a Leaf Energy, Dreadnought, Sliggoo, Shawnee, ENDD, Growlithe, Phalanx. We have a Zaruge Sandstorm and an Excel Gore. And that's it for the first half of the box. So we've got Cinderace V, Tishana V, 2 Landorus Holo Rares, a Obstagoon Holo Rare, Feraligatr Holo Rare, and a Tyrannosaur V, and the Gossiflower Crimp card. So, if you don't forget to stick around for the second half, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to push the like button and comment down below, because on this channel, comment to down below as always. I'll be Star Corrects, and I shall see you in the next Pokemon TCG video. Thanks a lot for watching.